Well, this passage serves as your informative guide to the 10 best file transfer tools, each catering to a unique set of needs. Top 1. Best File Sharing App Mobikin Assistant for Android. When handling substantial amounts of data between Android and PC, the most efficient approach is to utilize a specialized tool like Mobikin Assistant for Android. How to transfer files from Android to PC, or reversely via Mobikin Assistant for Android. Step 1. Install and start the software. Step 2. Preview and pick the items to share. Step 3. Share files between Android and PC or Mac. Top 2. Mobikin Transfer for Mobile. Being one of the most reliable file transfer apps, Mobikin Transfer for Mobile Windows and Mac allows users to effortlessly move files between two mobile devices, regardless of their operating systems. Top 3. Google Drive. Google Drive, a robust mobile file sharing app, provides 15 gigabytes of free storage. This app offers file sharing, creation, and editing capabilities. Top 4. OneDrive. OneDrive stands out as a high-performing and widely favored file sharing app. In today's market, it offers businesses and teams a secure cloud-based platform, serving as a central repository for storing, sharing, and synchronizing files, documents, business assets, and other data. Top 5. Dropbox. Dropbox, a pioneer file-sharing app for Android, offers a range of pricing plans for individuals and businesses. Security has been a concern in the past due to its market share and data access policies. Top 6. ShareIt. As a cross-platform file-sharing app, ShareIt enables lightning-fast transfers, up to 200 times faster than Bluetooth, with a maximum speed of 42 megabytes per second and no loss in quality. This app supports various file formats, allowing quick sharing of videos, large files, and music. Top 7. Box. Initially, Box was targeted at businesses. However, it now caters to enterprises, offering collaboration features, cloud content management, and robust security. This ShareIt alternative provides a free plan with 10 GB storage and limited permissions for file sharing. Top 8. Zapier. Zapier is a top Android file sharing app known for its high-speed capabilities. It's cross-platform, facilitating file transfers between Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and more. Top 9. Zender. Zender is a top file-sharing app for both Android and iOS. This video or music file-sharing app offers high-speed file transfers, supports cross-platform sharing, and can send songs, apps, PDFs, and zip files. Top 10. Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is a versatile long-distance app for sharing files that can ensure secure data migration without user accounts. This utility employs a 6-digit key for device pairing and allows multiple recipients